HNT sort of intraday volume stays at 6134484, which is contrary to what most people think. Helium's IMAC clearly shows a very steep downtrend, which is a big deal. Helium definitely has a medium-term challenge at $5.02, and the HNT support floor is currently $4.27, which is very important for the 13th of May 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much helium will cost now or in the next week or so. We'll also try to answer some of the most important questions that people usually have. What are the typical short-term cost expectations for helium, especially as HNT and all things considered a smart investment? Helium support and resistance levels, etc., were thought to be different from what most people thought before getting too deep into the HN technical research. Let's talk about the economy in general to show how, before getting too deep into the HN technical research has really led us to where we are today. Talk about the current state of the economy in a very serious way. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, taking the total value of the digital currency market to $1,211,956,157, which is a very big number. Our trading volume is still $29,326,280,733, so market research shows that over the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total digital money market to $1.2 billion, $1.19 billion, $1.16 billion, $1.17 billion, which is very important. Bitcoin has 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a majority of 16.33%. This was sent in a very significant way, which led to Bitcoin's price rising to $26,820.38 after a vertical growth of 2%, which is very important for other digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a price increase of $1.27, bringing it to $1,793. Moreover, after losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents. This shows that, contrary to popular belief, helium's value usually goes down. These events show that the market is going down for the time being. There has been a big drop in the crypto market. Before getting too deep into the HN technical analysis, let's talk about the economy. Manner helium backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers certainly become commonly more most certainly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours there in every way that really matters was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1120109556157, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which merchants especially move fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that these occasions demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending bearing for most certainly. Present moment especially as opposed to prevalent thinking following certainly are the help and opposition levels of helium. Helium execution. The daily chart of helium shows that the HN price has dropped by 0.34% in the past 24 hours, which is a big drop. The helium coin is still worth $3.05, and its market capitalization is $423,722,611. The HNT price changes in a very significant way. 12.01% over the past week, and the trading volume is around $6,134,484. This shows that the market is going down at the moment, which is a big deal. Backing levels, opposition levels, and different time period moving midpoints, such as simple moving fundamentally normal and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, can be used to predict how the helium market will change in the future. For example, the price of a CHIN-T changes by 12.01% over the course of a week, while the amount of money traded stays around $6,134,484. HNT's Williams percent R pointer is at 69.632 for the last 14 days, which shows that the market is in a neutral state. The exchange pretty sign is possible in a real sense in this area in an especially big way. After a hybrid, the MACD line basically stays below the especially signal line in a humble way. Helium investors should just wait for a change in direction on the daily chart, which shows that even though HNT's Williams percent R marker is at 69.632 for the 14-day time period, which shows a neutral condition, a change especially signal especially is possible at this point, contrary to what most people think. RSI is close to the oversold stage while trading at 36 and is basically trying to get out of the negative zone, showing that helium has a medium-term resistance at $5.02, which is a very big number. Helium has broken all of its fundamental support levels, and things don't look good for the crypto market, which is very big right now. Bears are in charge of the market, and they are pushing HNT's price down. Helium has almost no chance of coming back, and it could keep hitting the immediate resistance level of 4.78 cents for a while. This is why the RSI is close to oversold while trading at 36 and is trying to break out of it. Statistics from Glassnode show that last month, the number of deals per day hit an all-time high of 682,000. This is more than 40% more than the previous record, which was set in 2017. Bitcoin's share of the $1.16 trillion cryptocurrency market has gone from 38% at the start of the year to 44% now. What is really going on? BRC-20 is the first type of crypto token created on the Bitcoin blockchain that isn't Bitcoin itself. About 25,000 of the trial coins have already been made this year. This has sent the number of transactions through the roof. Gordon Grant, co-head of dealing at Genesis Dealing, said, "BRC-20 tokens are something we've never seen before." According to data from blockchain.com, the average number of transactions per day over the past 7 days is more than 531,000. This is about twice as many as a month ago, which is mostly due to the creation of these coins. Like memecoins, this new cryptocurrency doesn't seem to have any clear use besides speculation.